When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, the competition is fierce, especially when comparing Help Scout versus LiveAgent. Both of these platforms promise to streamline customer support and improve team efficiency, but how do they really stack up? Stick with me as I break down their features, pros, cons, and why you might want to consider an even better alternative at the end of this video. Let's dive in. The first thing to consider is the user interface. Help Scout has a minimalist, clean design that's easy to navigate. Its simple layout helps your team get right to work without a steep learning curve. On the other hand, LiveAgent offers a more feature-packed interface with a lot of customization options. But with all that customization comes complexity, and it can be overwhelming for new users. If you're looking for something simple and intuitive, Help Scout has the edge here, but LiveAgent could be more suited to teams that need more granular control. Next, let's talk about the pricing. Help Scout offers a pretty straightforward pricing structure. Starting at around $25 per user per month, it's a great option for smaller teams or startups. However, once you scale up, costs can add up, especially if you want to unlock premium features like automation or reporting. LiveAgent, however, offers a more tiered approach, with plans starting at $15 per user per month, but their more advanced features like ticketing automation and integrations come at higher tiers. For budget-conscious teams, LiveAgent might be the better deal, but if you need something more hands-off, Help Scout might be worth the extra cost. Now, let's talk about customer support. Both platforms offer excellent support options, including email, live chat, and phone support. However, the real difference lies in how they handle self-service. Help Scout offers a solid knowledge base, which is perfect for teams who want to help customers help themselves. LiveAgent, though, includes a more robust live chat feature, making it easier to engage with customers in real time. But the problem here is that LiveAgent's chat functionality can be a bit clunky and unreliable, which can cause frustrations for both agents and customers. The fourth thing to consider is automation and reporting. Help Scout has basic automation features like automated replies and workflows, but they don't compare to LiveAgent's advanced reporting and ticketing features. LiveAgent shines when it comes to creating custom reports and ticket filters, making it ideal for larger teams that need advanced insights. That said, Help Scout is a lot easier to use and quicker to set up if you don't need those extra layers of complexity. When it comes to integrations, both platforms cover the basics, including email, Slack, and CRM systems. However, LiveAgent offers a larger range of third-party integrations, including e-commerce platforms and other productivity tools. Help Scout's integrations are a bit more limited, but it's worth noting that they focus on quality over quantity. The last thing to consider is scalability. LiveAgent's flexibility and feature set make it better suited for growing teams, but it's not the easiest to scale without hitting some roadblocks. Help Scout's focus on simplicity means that as your team grows, it's easy to maintain a consistent experience, though you may find some of the advanced features lacking. So, after trying both of these options, I can confidently say they each have their pros and cons, but neither is the perfect fit for everyone. If you're someone who values simplicity and ease of use, Help Scout might be the way to go. If you need more control, flexibility, and are okay with a more complicated setup, LiveAgent is worth considering. However, after testing both of these platforms, I've found a better alternative that beats both Help Scout and LiveAgent in many areas. It has all the features you need, is easier to set up, and offers superior customer support. If you want a better solution for your help desk needs, click the first link in the description below to take advantage of a free trial. You'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the chance to experience this game changer.